Want to learn how to create a drop down list in Google Docs? I'm going to show you how easy it is. So guys, as you can see here, I'm in Google Docs and I have this document here and I want to create a drop down list. How to do that? All you have to do is just simply click on the insert option on the upper left hand side menus and you want to go down to drop down. Once you click in that, you have many options. Now all you have to do, you have some pre-created ones, right? They are preset drop downs and these are like project status or review status, right, as you can see here. But you can create your own. Just simply click and new drop down and you have this option up here where you can customize what you want. So let's say I want to have names, for example. I can go ahead and I can just type names, for example, and here you can go ahead and you can add the names and you can also choose colors and move them around as you wish and delete as you want, right? So I want to choose, for example, I'm going to call this person Andrew and I'm going to select a color here and I'm going to say, let's give this color here, right? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select another color and then I'm going to choose this color here and then I'm going to say, for example, Sue. And I'm going to do the same thing here, choose another color, for example, and I'm going to choose, I'm going to say, for example, Barry. And let's say this third option here, I don't want this. I can simply go ahead and delete it. But if I want to add more, let's say it only came with 3 and I want to add more, I can click new option and I can add whatever. So I'm going to select another color here and let's say it's this color here and I'm going to choose and I'm going to write, for example, I don't know, let's type Shelly. That just popped into my head. And then I'm going to simply click on save. And as you can see here, it's now selected. Now you can always go back and edit this, for example, whenever you want. And I'm going to show you how. So you can click on edit and you can add more and you can change the names, whatever you want. But that's it. That's how to go ahead and create a drop down list in Google Docs, guys.